Welcome to Vivid Sydney 2025, right here in the middle of city. Um, Here you see the Darling Harbour, one of the Sydney's most spectacular waterfront destination, glowing with brilliant color, immersive lights, arcs, and the magic that makes Vivid Works famous. When the sun goes down, Darling Harbour comes alive. Lights shimmer across the water, installation pulse to the rhythm of music, and thousands of people walk this waterfront to experience a festive unlike anywhere else in Australia. Every step you take reveals something new: glowing sculpture, playful animations, and digital art that reacts to sounds, movement, and touch. Bibi does not just decorate the city, it transforms it. Along this harbour walk, you will find installation designed to spark imagination and curiosity. Look out the interactive tunnels, neon creatures, floating light displays, and experimental digital art that turns the night into a story of color. What makes Vivid special is not just the lights, it's the people they bring together. Families exploring, kids laughing as they make the lights move, photographers chasing reflections, and travelers discovering Sydney in a whole new way. Darling Harbour's waters become part of the artwork. Every ripple reflects the color of vivid, through glowing gradients, and the skyline sparkles like a futuristic dream. It's one of the best places to enjoy vivid Sydney with wide open views. Each year bring brand new installation inspired by science, culture, nature, and creativity. Whether it's a massive projection across the harbor or a tiny sculpture hidden in a corner, every piece invites you to pause, look closer, and feel the wonder of imagination. And while you are here, don't forget to explore the waterfront dining and street food around Darling Harbour. Grab a snack, sit by water, and watch the colors dance across the night sky. A glowing city by the sea, full of stories, full of creativity, and full of life. So there are many places in city that you can watch this beautiful vivid, like opera, Sydney Opera House, Barangaroo, Circular Quay, Martin Place, So, this is a celebration of light, a celebration of creativity, and a celebration of all of us, the dreamer who see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through light, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the magic.